I think the tricky thing for us when we opened Enfys was that we were also coming off the back of COVID, of course, and I'd just had a child, so that was a little bit more tricky. But we got there in the end.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't without its challenges, and I think it helped that we were both fairly entrepreneurial women. We're both fairly kind of determined, feisty women. I think that's really helped. But there's been plenty of tears on the way, hasn't there?
Absolutely, and we still often get you're the funeral directors, don't we?
Yeah.
You're
really an undertaker.
Are you?
You're a woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my advice to anybody really wanting to start a business, and certainly a woman wanting to go into business, would be just don't listen to the negativity, don't listen to the naysayers, just go for it. And there is enough support out there, and sometimes, yes, you have to seek it, but it is there to help you.
Byddwch yn hyblyg, bosib bod y busnes ddim yn mynd i droi allan yn union fel oeddech chi wedi ddisgwyl. Dydy Enfys ddim yn union be o'n i wedi meddwl fysa fo 3 blynedd yn ôl. Dwi'n falch iawn o be da ni wedi wneud.